Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure MariaDB to accept remote connection using command line. We will change the MariaDB bind address, restarting the service, create a database users, and finally check that port. 3306 is listening correctly. Let's get started. First, connect to your Ubuntu VPS through SSH or your terminal. Op- Open MariaDB server configuration file by running this command, bash command. I will provide in description, guys. Then enter, guys. Then this this is the configuration file where we can change the MariaDB server setting. Step 2, inside the file, look for bind address. Guys, this is bind address. We want to change this always 0.0.0. Then we want to control O plus enter. Then control X. Uh, Next, guys, after changing, we want to save, guys. Then step 3. Now we need to restart MariaDB so configuration change takes effect. If your server uses the MySQL service name, you can also use. Now check the service, guys. You should see active running, guys. This guys showing active running successfully here. Guys, check port 3306. Now let's verify that MariaDB is actually listening on the network. Okay guys, that port is running on 3306. They are showing. This confirms that MariaDB is listening on port 3306 on all interfaces. If UFW firewall is enabled, we also need to allow port 3306. First check UFW status. This is also all allowing, guys. If UFW is active, run role added, guys. Then check again. Now let's create a database user, guys. Then it's asking root password. My root password is, okay, guys, showing welcome back to MariaDB. Then after logging in, you will see the MariaDB prompt. Next, now create a user that can connect remotely. Okay guys, then replace in this neophyte with your described name, then identified by want to replace by your strong own password. The uh, the percentage symbol allows the user to connect from remote host subject to your firewall and configure MariaDB configuration. Then now grant the required permission. Grant all privileges on. Then apply the changes. Then guys, then we want to exit. All done, guys. Final port. Check back into Ubuntu terminal. Ah, then guys is listening. MariaDB is listening for network connection. Then want to open HeidiSQL guys. Then next guys, here I want to put our VPS IP guys in host name IP. Then we want to put our database username and password. My user is neophyte, then password is this. Then want to open. We can see let's it's open or no. Guys, here asking save modification yes. Guys, you can see guys here our MariaDB SQL is working guys successfully. And that's it guys. We have successfully configured MariaDB on listen on 0.0.0.0 open port 3306. If required, create a remote database user and verify that MariaDB is listening correctly. Remember, this setup is being used for demonstration purpose. In this video for real production server, don't leave port 3306 open to everyone, restrict access to the trust IP address and use a strong database password. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and I will see you in next video. Thank you.